Hi there! I am super excited today about this review. I have never reviewed anything like this before, and for some reason, I was so pumped when this thing showed up at my house. This bad boy right here is the Jackery Solar Generator 3000 Pro model. I don't know why I was so excited about getting a portable generator, but I was. And I mean, look at these solar panels. How cool are these? And the build quality of everything is just super high quality. You can tell from the minute you take everything out of its box how well made it is. We have never had a generator before, so maybe that's why I'm so excited, but I know that this is going to come in handy in a few different ways. Firstly, this generator will save us if we ever have a power outage, which does happen where I live, and it also will allow us to plug in the essentials like the fridge, lights, the microwave, phone chargers, or a space heater. So basically you're saved with this guy. Secondly, my husband loves to go camping, and this generator is literally the perfect companion because I certainly won't be going camping with him anytime soon. I am not really the camping type, we can just say that. So anyways, this generator is rugged and it is built for portability, starting with the grab handles on the sides, as well as the retractable handle and wheels, so it's back here, that allow you to wheel it around like luggage. And look at the power outlets it has. It has 4 120 volt power outputs, 2 USB-C outputs, 2 USB-A outputs, and DC 12 volt outlet, and a TT30 AC output. So you're covered no matter what you need to plug in. So in order to fully charge this bad boy up, you have 3 options. You can wall charge it by just plugging it into your wall, which only takes 2.4 hours. You can also use the solar panels, which only takes 6 to 7 hours to fully charge. Or you can charge it with your car battery, which takes about 35 hours, just a little bit longer, but it still is an option. Unless you're off the grid somewhere, you'll most likely charge it in the wall. And fortunately, it is super quiet. It only gets up to 30 dB. So like I said, this is my husband's best friend on camping trips. But I actually realized I needed this here at home as well, okay? You may be wondering why, but here's the situation. There's an area in our backyard that has no power outlets anywhere near it, and we always are needing to plug things in down there. So now, instead of having to run this extremely long extension cord, we just bring the Jackery, and this generator is everything we need. We have all the power that is necessary for all the essential things that we want to plug in down there. So it is genius. And by the way, if you live in a ultra cold climate, it can handle it because it can operate in temperatures as low as negative 20 degrees Celsius or negative 4 degrees Fahrenheit. So now let's go over some of the specs. I know you've been waiting for this. So this is a 3000 watt generator powered by a lithium-ion battery with an industry-leading battery management system that has over voltage protection and a short circuit protection. So it is ultra safe. It's got an ultra bright LCD screen that shows you your battery level and the power output and input. It weighs just under 64 pounds and it is 14.7 inches by 14.1 inches by 18.6 inches. So it is very portable. I can even handle it. It's also got a smart app as well, which does everything you need. One thing I really want to tell you about is the fact that you can actually hook this up right here to your house in the event of a power outage with the help of the transfer switch that allows you to choose up to 6 circuits from your breaker panel, such as refrigerators and light switches or the garage door. So you do need a licensed electrician to install the transfer switch, but it might just be worth it, during the next major power outage. We already asked our electrician to install it, which he will be doing very soon. So I'm super excited about that, so I feel prepared. You can go to their website to check out the power switch, as well as a bunch of other amazing add-ons like extra solar panels or another smaller generator. So if you are looking for the most reliable portable generator on the market to use when you go off the grid or if you've ever lost power, this is 100% the brand you need to go with. They do have some other configurations as well, so make sure that you check out all of their products before you purchase. And if you order it now, it only takes 2 to 5 business days to ship. It's got a 5-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you go out there and you get yours today, and you will be able to take a lot of power with you anywhere that you want to go. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video review. See you later, guys.